Welcome to a clip covering Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2007's new interface. Let's look at some of the ways this version of PowerPoint helps you to make great presentations. A quick look at the Microsoft Office button here in the upper left corner of the screen shows the commands related to managing PowerPoint and our PowerPoint presentations. We also see a PowerPoint Options button here at the bottom of the drop-down. We'll explore these options in other clips. Just to the right of the Office button is the Quick Access Toolbar. Now this toolbar displays the Save, Undo, and Redo buttons initially, but we can customize it to include any commands that we frequently use. Across the top of the screen is the title bar, and this displays the name of the active presentation. Next, we see the tabs, and these have replaced the menu bar of earlier versions. Click on a tab, and the ribbon changes, giving us access to relevant commands. That brings us to the greatest noticeable change in the environment, the ribbon. The ribbon is just below the tabs, and it's a dynamic area that changes depending on the specific task we're performing. The ribbon is made up of a series of groups, sometimes referred to as chunks. These groups relate specifically to the chosen tab. Notice, too, that some of the groups display a small checkbox here in the lower right corner. This is called the Dialog Box Launcher, and it's where we can find less common commands. Over here on the far left of the screen is the Slides Outline pane. The two tabs at the top of the pane allow us to see either a thumbnail version of the slides or the text for each slide in outline form. And by the way, if we close the slide pane and want to get it back, we can click the View tab, and in Presentation Views, click the Normal button to restore it. The large area here at the center of the screen is the general work area for our presentation, and below that is the Notes area. Click in here, and we can enter notes for the presenter. And what makes these notes so handy is that we can print them, but they won't appear to the audience when a slide presentation is running. We can also click and drag the dividing bar separating the general work area and the notes page to customize our workspace to suit our needs. Now we come to the updated status bar here at the bottom of the screen, where we see what slide we're working on and the theme applied to our slides. We'll go over themes in another clip. Then as we come over to the right, we have a view bar, allowing us to quickly adjust from normal to slide sorter to slideshow views. Remember, the escape key on the keyboard will bring us out of slideshow view. And here's a great new addition to the status bar, the zoom slider to control the screen magnification, along with the fill slide to current window button. Very nice. And that completes our tour of the PowerPoint 2007 interface. You're ready now to create your next great presentation.